Before we get started, I just wanted to let y'all know that I've created a Patreon page. I'm planning on uploading more regularly, and if y'all like the content, please consider going on there, donating. It would really help me out, and everything would go directly to all of my projects. What's up, guys? It's Austin, and today I'm going to be fixing my motorcycle. So today I'm going to be replacing the stator and the rectifier. And to do that, first I got to drain the oil pan, take off the side of the bike, remove a couple things, replace it, put it back on, fill it with oil, and hopefully it'll fix the problems I'm having. If not, we have bigger issues. But the parts just came in, and they look nice. I got them in a group deal on Amazon. So, let's get started. Alright, I'm draining the oil, and now I've got to take, I believe, this off, and then disconnect this so I can take this off. I've just loosened that bolt to the shifter linkage, and I've got to take it off somehow. I just got the shifter cable off, which is good. Now I need to get these off so I can get the clutch cable out. I'm supposed to be doing this on a jack stand, or on a bike stand, but I don't have a bike stand, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do it without it. So right now I'm going to Harbor Freight. Turns out I do need a bike stand, so that's the cheapest place I can come up to get one that's relatively close and not driving an hour on Craigslist. I didn't want to spend 80 bucks, but turns out I'm gonna have to, but it'll come in handy in the future. You know, I plan on keeping this bike for a while, and I'm probably gonna have to do some work to it, so the bike stand will be useful. I guess I'll see y'all when I get there, when I get home, or whenever I feel like filming again. I got it up on the jack stand, and right now I'm taking off these. They're pretty stuck on there. I broke that one loose, and now I gotta break the other one loose. I just got off the side cover right here, covering this and the clutch cable, so I gotta take this clutch cable off now, and then I've got to consult the computer on what else I have to do, because YouTube is my best friend. Alright, I have the cover taken off. I'm about to take the stator out. It's been pretty easy so far, but it's a big job. I'm about halfway through it, I think. Just gotta figure out how to actually take the stator out and put it back on. Alright, I have got it all back on. I have to fill it back up with oil. I have something to do to the battery, and then hopefully it runs again. Hopefully. The battery, when I got it, didn't come with the hardware packs, and I didn't know that till I got home and I had to use the bike. So I took some wire and wrapped it around and put the screws in. So I got a hardware pack, and now I'm going to throw that on. That might have something to do with it not getting great connection, might be part of the issue. I don't know, but I'm gonna throw the hardware pack on just because I have it. So I finished up putting the stator and the rectifier in. It all went in fine, everything was great. I took her out for a spin and got stranded. The same thing that stranded me before, stranding me again, and it's a fuel issue, I believe. So I ordered in a fuel pump. That should be coming in the next couple days, and I'll be fixing it. As for right now, that's the end of the video. As always, if y'all like the video, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.